Hey all, Matt here with Bobcat Bonsai, and we're going to do our 750 subscriber giveaway today. So, as you're going to see on the screen right here, we're going to pull up this little wheel, and we're going to see who the winner is. I'm not going to tag the winner in the video because I want them to watch the video and be surprised that they won. So, I'm not going to tag them. I'm just going to leave it here, and that way everybody can see who won. I appreciate all the new subscribers. Thank you to everyone who enjoys watching my content. I can't believe that I've made 750 subscribers already with all the people who enjoy watching and subscribing to my channel. So thank you all, and I can't wait till we hit 1,000.